Today I want to introduce you to my new rental listing in Keystone Point. It's listed for $6,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It's 1,728 square feet and it sits on a quarter-acre lot. So let's go check it out and see what you get for $6,000 in Keystone Point. Welcome to Keystone Point, North Miami's hidden gem. This waterfront community offers a serene atmosphere, lush greenery, and easy access to Biscayne Bay. Enjoy nearby shopping, dining, and top-rated schools. This stunning rental is nestled on a quiet street, providing a peaceful and tranquil environment. It's the ideal setting for those seeking privacy and a serene lifestyle. As we approach the home, take in the lush greenery and expansive lot that surrounds it. Sitting on an oversized quarter-acre lot, this property offers abundant green space perfect for outdoor activities, gardening, and relaxation. The well-maintained landscaping creates a welcoming and picturesque setting, providing a serene backdrop for your daily life. Step inside and be greeted by an open floor plan that flows seamlessly from room to room. Natural light pours in through the large windows, highlighting the polished travertine floors and recessed lighting throughout the home. The heart of this home is the beautifully updated kitchen, featuring Maplewood cabinets, granite countertops, and modern stainless steel appliances. It's designed for both functionality and style. The kitchen overlooks the front yard, providing a bright and welcoming atmosphere. With a large walk-in pantry, you'll have plenty of storage space for all your kitchen essentials. This kitchen truly offers everything you need for both everyday living and entertaining guests. Moving into the dining area, you'll love the open floor plan that connects seamlessly with the living room. The impact windows and doors provide safety and energy efficiency, while the newly installed curtains and fresh paint enhance the elegant ambiance. This space is perfect for entertaining or simply relaxing with family. The 2 additional bedrooms are thoughtfully designed, offering spacious layouts that can easily accommodate various furniture arrangements. Each bedroom features generous closet space, providing ample storage for all your belongings. Large windows in both rooms offer plenty of natural light and beautiful views of the surrounding greenery, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. The bedrooms are finished with the same polished travertine marble flooring found throughout the home, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. These rooms are well lit with modern fixtures, enhancing the ambiance and functionality of the space. These bedrooms share a well-appointed bathroom, which serves as both a convenient daily space and a guest bathroom. The bathroom features modern fixtures and a large vanity with plenty of storage. The shower tub combination is perfect for relaxing baths or quick showers, catering to different preferences. As we move to the other wing of the house, we find the spacious master suite, offering a private retreat from the rest of the home. This oversized suite features terrazzo flooring, adding a touch of luxury to the space. The layout of the master suite allows for a small desk space, perfect for a home office or a cozy reading nook. The master suite also boasts an ensuite bathroom, providing convenience and privacy. The bathroom features modern fixtures, a large vanity with plenty of storage, and a spacious shower. It's a comfortable and functional space designed for relaxation and everyday use. The home includes a 1-car garage with plenty of storage space, including overhead racks. This is where you'll find the washer and dryer and an extra fridge for added convenience. Step outside to the lush green backyard, perfect for outdoor activities and relaxation. With ample space to play, garden, or host gatherings, this backyard extends your living area. Don't miss out. Visit our website or call us today for more information or to schedule a viewing.